Okay. Aloha, folks. This is a bunch of chickens. Hey, I see a duck.
There's 8 ducks out there.
Oh, wow. Hello, duck. And right now I am at a friend's little farm. And he gets plenty of chicken eggs and chickens to eat.
Got 4 so far this morning.
Wow. Oh, wow. Is it okay if I get your eggs on TV?
Yeah.
Wow.
They're not mine. I got multicolored ones. There's reds and whites.
Oh, wow. Those are nice. So what do? Do you make omelets with them?
I just had 2 egg salad sandwiches for lunch.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
This morning I had scrambled eggs. You eat what you got, man.
Well, right now, right now we're trying to dig, or I should say Brad is digging a banana tree, which is a gift from John, our friend John, who planted all these banana trees.